What's up my friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Ravencoin and what's the next target after Ravencoin, what's the next change goes in a Ravencoin. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates about Ravencoin friends. First of all, we look the price change occur in the Ravencoin. After that we look the price prediction chart, and after that we decide that what's the next target of Ravencoin. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe, so kindly subscribe now Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates friends. I told you already, but kindly a lot of people not subscribing my channel, so kindly please subscribe now friends. Let's start the video. As you can see here, the current price of the Ravencoin is about 0.18744 USD dollar is the price of Ravencoin. And if you look the change occur in the Ravencoin, so as about the last 1 hour chain is positive, last 1 day chain is positive, and the last 1 week chain is negative friends. That means that the Ravencoin start jumping again from the previous last 1 day friends. Now let's see for more details the last 1 hour price prediction. As you can see here, that is last 1 hour price prediction. The change is in positive 0.92% in the last 1 hour, and the high price is about 0.1897 USD dollar is a high price of Ravencoin in the last 1 hour friends. Absolutely a very fastly move occur in a Ravencoin, but as you can see here at this time now the falling period of the Ravencoin again starts. So now friends, now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's it next change goes in Ravencoin. Let's try to detect friends. As you can see here, if we trying to detect the next target of Ravencoin, so if we take the let's take a support level and resistance level, and after that we decide that what's the next change goes in the Ravencoin. As you can see here, that is a support level and that is a resistance level friends. The Ravencoin continue has travel, and these two lines as you can see here take a jump, and after you jump they again fall down friends, again fall down. I think they fall down from this point, and after this they take again jump friends. So what's your opinion about Ravencoin? My opinion is that they a lot of chances, 70% chances to Ravencoin move upward, because as you know the last 7 day change of Ravencoin as a negative. That is why I think they take a high jump to detect the next target friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates. If you are a holder of Ravencoin, so on my suggestion for you to please hold your Ravencoin with the last of this month. That will make you millionaire friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.